Almost as good as my mom's.
My name is Mohammed. I'm the chef and owner of Malabar Indian Restaurant in Darlinghurst. I'm here today to cook one of my favorite dishes, the prawn biryani.
First, I'm going to slice some onion, slicing up the tomatoes. The next stage is to wash the rice. The rice I'm going to be using today for my biryani is the SunRice Indian Grown Basmati rice. Very fragrant, very aromatic. Now we're into the cooking process. Drop some oil into this wok and I need to fry the onion, get it to a nice crispy golden brown color. In the remaining oil, add the crushed ginger and garlic and green chili. Biryani has always been a family activity. It was a Sunday affair in our family. Mum will cook just beautiful biryanis. We all sit together around the dining table talking about what's happening in school, who's failed and who's passed. And then we start cooking the actual prawns. Can't wait. Time to add some coriander and mint. In a few minutes the prawns will be fully cooked. You turn the heat off because the rest of the cooking will happen along with the rice. A couple of tablespoons of ghee, 4.5 cups of water in, a little bit of the fried onion, the washed rice in. So you want to bring this to a boil. Key thing is once you put the lid on, you don't remove the lid. So wait till the time I go. Being impatient doesn't help. Now it's been about 12 minutes. The rice is done. So I'm going to layer the biryani. Okay, now we're going to do second layer. Cashew nuts and raisins. We put the lid back on, low heat, 10 minutes. And now is the grand moment. The biryani is ready. Next thing we have to do is serve it and enjoy. Mom, I'm coming.